Hello. Hi, Riyansh. You're jumping. You're having so much fun. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Sit. Mama is coming.
Who is jumping? I can see Riyansh jumping.
I am Pika.
You want to jump more? Jump. Come on. Let's jump. Come on. Who else wants to jump? Who else wants to jump?
अभी देखिए.
Me. Antika wants to jump. Anna wants to jump. Wow. Antika wants to jump.
You have to
Does
stand.
Nick want to jump? Does Satya wants to jump? Who else wants to jump? Jump. Come on, jump. Jump. Yay! Oh my God. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Who you are? Satya, hi. Hi, I am. Okay. How are you all? Tell me. How are you all?
Teacher, how you all?
Are you all fine? Good?
Yes.
Amazing.
Fine.
Oh, you're fine, but I am awesome. Are you awesome?
Yes.
Yes, you all are awesome. Great. Okay. Now, who will tell me who all have done brush by themselves in the morning? All. I did it. You all have done brush by yourself. Oh no, Mama helped you. Tell me the truth. Who all have done brush by themselves? My goodness,
Brush your
you all
teeth
have
on
done
your
it. My God.
Then there's a right.
Okay. But you must have not done the brush properly, you know. Just you have cleaned just the front teeth, not the back ones. Did you all clean the entire teeth properly? The front ones, the back ones, the inside ones, the back molars.
Yes.
Yes.
Really amazing. Super duper amazing. Alright. Okay. Well, who all have loved their mama in the morning? Satva has done. Great, Satva. Great. What about Adira? What about Chandani? Okay, you all have done. Good job. Okay, great. Okay, now just tell me one thing. What food should we eat? Should we eat healthy food or unhealthy food?
Unhealthy.
Like,
Healthy food.
but why should we eat healthy food? You know, we can eat a lot of chocolates. We should eat. We can eat a lot of. We can drink a lot of cold drink. That's how our teeth will be very healthy. If we are going to eat a lot of chocolates, if we are going to drink a lot of cold drink, our teeth will be very healthy and very happy. Yes, right? Suppose I want to eat. I love chocolates. You know, I love chocolates. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, brown chocolate. I love all chocolates, and I will eat all the chocolates, and then my teeth will be all healthy, right? Why? Chocolates are very nice, you know. We should all eat a lot of chocolates.
Ma'am, I don't love chocolate.
You don't love, but I love chocolates. What do you love? Do you love cakes?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let me eat a lot of cakes. So, I can eat pineapple cake, black forest cake. There are different kinds of yummy cakes and pastries. So I will eat a lot, and then my teeth will be all healthy. Yes. Why not? Can you all give me any reason why should I not eat a lot of chocolates, a lot of cakes? You can give me the reason.
Sorry?
Who can give me the reason? Why shouldn't I eat a lot of chocolate? Yeah, Ayantika, say.
It will create cavity.
Cavity. Oh yeah, that's right. Still, you know, I love chocolates. Then what should I do?
Ma'am, I love only sometimes.
Sorry, what?
Only sometimes.
Very good. Very good, Ayantika. We should always eat it occasionally. Sometimes. If I will eat a lot of chocolate, all my teeth will fall down and I'll become an old lady. All my teeth will fall down. Yes? Oh, I can see, Myth. Where are your teeth? Who has taken your teeth? Tooth fairy.
It will fall down.
How? Did you eat a lot of chocolates?
No,
Then what happened?
it fell down when I was 5 years old.
Okay. So who took your tooth? Tooth fairy. So who took it?
No one in the dustbin.
In the dustbin. Okay, yes. That's absolutely right. We should not eat a lot of chocolates or cakes, or we should not eat a lot or drink a lot of cold drinks. These are unhealthy food. They will make our teeth weak. They can give us cavity. Yeah, and also they are not very healthy for our body. That's why we should not eat it. Great. Okay. Now, who can tell me which day is today? Can you all do? Does anyone know what is the date today?
Teacher's Day.
Yes, Teacher's Day. What date is this? Can you tell me what is the date today? Date.
Tuesday, ma'am.
Thank you.
5 September.
5th September. Very good, Ayan. Well done. It is 5th September. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September. Who can give me the answer? Why do we celebrate Teachers' Day? Who can give me the answer? Does anyone know? Okay. Shall I tell you? Okay. We have our one president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And do you know, he was an amazing teacher. You have teachers in your school, right? He was an amazing teacher and his birthday is on 5th September. So we celebrate his birthday. We celebrate his birthday and we wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Yes? Good. Okay. Okay. Can someone tell me, you all have one teacher at home? Can you tell me who is your teacher at home?
My grandmother.
Yes, your mother, your mama. You know, yes, we all have teachers at school, and if you go to any other class like dance class, music class, you all have different teachers. But whenever you come back home, who teaches you everything? Mama. Suppose if you have to perform in school, who will buy all nice stuff for you and who will make you ready nicely, beautifully? Who will make you dress up? Mama, right. So Mama is our first teacher. So did you all say Happy Teachers' Day to Mama? Do you love? Yay! Well done. Well done. Good job. We should say Happy Teachers' Day, Mama, because you teach me everything. You do a lot of hard work for me. You make me ready when I have to perform. You make me learn the beautiful, nice lines when I have to, perform in the class or I have to do homework. Right? Well done, kids. Well done. Okay. Does anyone remember?
Tell something.
Yeah, say.
My grandfather and grandmother, they are teachers.
Wow, you have two teachers, grandmama and grandpapa. Well done, well done. So, did you wish them Happy Teachers Day today, Mit?
Yes.
Good job, good boy. All right. Now, who can tell me? Does anyone remember which story which we have narrated last time?
I didn't because I wasn't there.
Okay, I will remind you. We have listened the story. Kavi learns responsibility. I will just narrate it one more time to you so that you can get it reminded. Are you all ready for the story? Show me thumbs up. Yay! Good.
Yes.
So today's story, before we see today's story, let me tell you about myself. My name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer. And I love playing with kids a lot. That is my favorite thing. Alright. Okay. Okay, I'm going to mute you all so that we can hear the story properly. Alright? Okay. Kavi learns responsibility. Okay, let's see how does she learn it. One day she was playing in her room and her room was all messy. She was playing la 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 la. Wow, I've got so many toys. I've got a toy horse. I've got blocks. I've got a toy dinosaur. I've got a ball. I'm playing in my room. It's so fun. Then her friend Dave came. He said, "Hi Kavi, how are you?" "I'm fine, Dave. I'm having a lot of fun while playing with my toys. Would you like to play with me?" "Sure, Kavi, I would love to play with you. But Kavi, your room is a real mess. Can you please clean your room? We should always keep our room neat and tidy, right? Your room is such messy. Please clean it." Kavi said, "Oh yes, Dave, I will clean it. I will clean it tomorrow, okay? Just don't worry about it. I will clean it. Right now, let us focus on playing. I've got so many new toys. I want to show them. Let's play with them. It will be so much fun. I'll clean the room tomorrow." Then Dave said, "But Kavi, your room is such messy. There is no space for us to play. How can we play here? There is no space for us. Please clean your room." "Oh Dave, don't worry about it. I promise I will clean the room tomorrow. I promise. Don't worry, I'll clean it tomorrow." "Okay Kavi, if you promise that you will clean your room, then we can play today. Okay, let's play." Then Kavi said, "Thank you so much, Dave. I promise I will clean my room tomorrow. Don't worry, let's play." Then they both played that day. Then the day passed, sun went down, sunset. Then the night came, and next morning, sun came bright and shiny sun. Then, when Kavi was again playing in her room, Dave came. Dave said, "Oh Kavi, you have not cleaned your room still? You promised that you will clean your room. You have not kept your promise. Why?" Kavi said, Oh Dave, I just forgot. Don't worry, I will clean my room tomorrow, okay? I promise. This time I will not break my promise. Please trust me. Please play with me. I will clean my room tomorrow, I promise." "But Kavi, you promised and you broke your promise. And also there is no space for us. See, all the toys are scattered everywhere. We don't have any space. Where would we play? There is no space." we can do one thing. We can go to the park. You can take your colorful ball and we will play in the park. That's what we can do. Kavi said, okay, we can go to the park. We can play in the park with the ball. All right, let me take my ball. Then Dev said, yes, please quickly find your ball and let's go to the park. We'll play there. Then Kavi quickly said, okay, I will find my ball. And then she quickly started to find the ball in the room, here and there. But you know what happened? She couldn't find the ball because her room was such mess. She couldn't find her ball. And then Kavi became a bit sad. And Dev said, look Kavi, because your room is such a mess, you couldn't find your ball also. Now what will we do? How are we going to play in the park? We don't have the ball either. Now what should we do? Then Kavi said, yes Dev, I will clean my room. I know this is the room. The room is messy. Then Dev said, okay, just let's go to park and we will stay there. Okay, let's just go to park because there is no space in your room. So they both went to the park. When they came to park, they met their friend Uni Didi. Dev said, hi Uni Didi, how are you? Then Uni Didi said, hi Dev, I am good. How are you? You look a bit sad. Why you guys are sad? What happened? Dev said, Uni Didi, we wanted to play in the room, but the room was so messy we couldn't play there. Then we decided to come and play in the park, but then again we couldn't find the ball, and that is why we are sad. Kavi also said, yes Uni Didi, actually I've tried to find the ball in the room, but we couldn't find the ball and we couldn't play in the room also. That is why we are sad. Oh, then Uni Didi said, then what is the problem? Can you think what is the problem? Think about it. Why you are not able to find the ball? Why you are not able to play in the room? Can you think about it? Then Dev said, because the room was messy, there was no space. That's why we were not able to play in the room. And Kavi said, and because of the room was dirty, that is why we couldn't find the ball also. That is the problem, Uni Didi. Yes, absolutely right, Dev and Kavi. You now found it. You found the problem. And when we have a problem, then we always look for solution. Absolutely right. We always look for solution. No matter what is the problem. We never cry. We always look for solution. If you will smile, you will get the solution, right? So after that, Uni Didi said, you can think what could be the solution. Think about it. Then Dev said, if we clean the room, then there would be space for us to play, right? So we should clean the room. Kavi also said, yes Uni Didi, if the room will be clean, we can find the ball also easily. Right, now we got the solution that we have to clean the room. Wow, now Dev and Kavi also got the solution and they became happy. Now they know what they have to do. They have to quickly go to their room and clean the room. Now they went to their room and even Uni Didi said, I will also help you to clean the room. We are friends, we should help each other. So I will help you in cleaning the room. Then Dev, Uni Didi and Kavi quickly cleaned the room. And see, in no time, their room is clean. And even Kavi found the ball. Yes? Yay! They became so happy. And Kavi said, thank you Dev. Thank you Uni Didi for helping me. And now I have found the ball. I promise that I will keep my room clean. I will put my toys back to their place and I will always put my books to the shelf. I will make my room neat and tidy. After that, they all became happy and they played together. The end. Now, I would like to ask you one question. Suppose your room is all dirty, messy. What will you do? Will you leave the room just like that? Or will you clean the room? Show me your left hand if you will clean the room. Or show me your right hand if you will not clean the room. Good job! Well done! Well done! You will all clean the room? Show me your left hand if you will clean the room. Yes, we can even help. We can ask for help from Mama. Mama, please help me. She will help you. And then you can help Mama to clean the room, right? Good job. Did you all like the story? Show me thumbs up if you like the story. Yay, good job. Are you ready for another story? Shall I tell you another interesting story? Yay! Even I am excited. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, let me show you. Yes, we will clean the room. Now we are going to listen to another story. They've learned honesty. Honesty means we should always tell the truth. It's okay if we have made one mistake or any mistake. We can take responsibility and we should always tell the truth. We should always be honest. Let's see how Dave learns. Let's see. One day, when Dave was playing in the park, he was playing, wow, it's so much fun. Today I'm going to go on swings. I will play on the swings today. And I can see a water fountain. It's so much fun. Then, suddenly he saw one thing. Oh my God! What is this? Is it something dangerous? He got scared. He jumped back. Oh my God! What is this? He quickly started to think. Is it a big dinosaur who's going to bite me? Or is it a small dinosaur? Who is this? I'm a bit scared. Who is this? But then he calmed himself down and then he thought again, I'm a brave kid. I should not be scared. He quickly, slowly went towards it. And then he found out it's a toy dinosaur. Oh, it is a toy dinosaur. There was no need to get scared from him. Now Dave got happy to see the toy dinosaur. It is so fluffy. It is so nice. I will take this toy dinosaur with me. I will play with it at my home. So he took it with him. He shouldn't have taken anything from the park, right? We should not take anything which is not ours. We should only take things which are our. If the things are not ours, we should not take it. But see, Dave did a mistake. He took it. And then what happened? The day passed, then the night came, and then next day came. Then when Dave was playing in his house, his friend Kavi came. Hi Dave, how are you? Oh wow, I can see a beautiful toy dinosaur. You know what? Even I have the same dinosaur. I have the same similar looking dinosaur with me, but I lost it yesterday. You know, I lost it in the park yesterday. I wish I could also have the same dinosaur. I lost it yesterday in the park. I miss it. I really miss my toy dinosaur. Dave thought, oh, I got it from the park. Is it Kavi's? Kavi said, I wish I could have the same toy dinosaur just like mine. It was same. Your dinosaur and my dinosaur looked really same. Then Kavi said, I am going to find my dinosaur again in the park. Dave, please come and help me to find it in the park. Here, Dave became a bit sad because he realized that this is Kavi's dinosaur. This is not his. and he became a bit sad. And you know what? He didn't tell the truth to Kavi. He should have told the truth to Kavi that this is your dinosaur, but he didn't tell. Instead, he kept quiet. That is why he was feeling a bit sad. Then what happened? He was thinking, oh, it is Kavi's dinosaur. What should I do? I'm not able to understand. What should I do? He was a bit sad. Then his friend Unity came. She said, "Hi Dave, how are you? You look a bit sad. What happened?" Dave said, Unity, I don't know what to do. I got this dinosaur from the park yesterday, and now I'm feeling sad. Because I got this dinosaur from the park yesterday, I'm feeling sad because I think it is Kavi's. So Unity asked Dave, did you tell the truth, or because of that you're feeling sad? Dave said, yes. Then will you tell the truth to Kavi? Yes, Unity, I will, said. Dave nodded. And I will tell the truth and I will be honest to Kavi. Yes, very good, Dave. You have found the problem because you have not told the truth. You were not honest with Kavi. That is why you are feeling sad. And if you have a problem, you should always look for... Say, what should we do? We should always look for... solution. Say loudly. We always look for solution. Yes, we should always look for solution. Because Dave didn't tell the truth, that is why he was feeling sad. Now Unity said, your solution would be, if you tell the truth, you will get the solution. Then, magic. Rainbow magic. Unity does rainbow magic. And she said, if you will tell the truth, you will also get the magic of solution. Now they've also got the solution. He's also shining. He said, thank you, Unity, for telling me the solution. I will definitely be honest with my friend and with my family also. So he quickly took the dinosaur and both Unity and Dave went to park where Kavi is searching for her dinosaur. She was looking here and there. I couldn't find my dinosaur. Where did it go? I really miss my dinosaur. I want to really find my dinosaur. Then Dave and Unity came with the dinosaur because they've got the solution, right? Now Dave said, hi Kavi, don't be sad. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you the truth. I want to be honest with you. This is not my dinosaur. This is yours. I found it yesterday in the park when you lost it. And I couldn't tell you the truth in the first place. I'm sorry for that. Now I'm telling you the truth. It is yours. Please take it. Then Dave returned the dinosaur to Kavi. Kavi became really happy and she said, thank you so much, Dave, for returning me my dinosaur and telling me the truth. You are such an honest boy. Thank you so much, Dave. Thank you. You're such an honest person. Then all, Dave, Kavi and Unity became really happy and they had a lot of fun. They played together. Yes, the end. Did you all like the story? Show me thumbs up. Yay, I also like the story. Now let me ask you one question. Suppose if you get something, some toy or something in the park or anywhere, what will you do? Will you tell the truth to your mama papa or will you say quiet about it? Will you tell the truth and will you not return the toy to your friend? Show me left hand. If you will tell the truth, you'll become honest, or show me your right hand if you will not become honest. Great! Well done! We should be honest. We should be telling the truth all the time. Absolutely right, kids. You are amazing. Super duper amazing, kids. Well done. Now, let me tell you, can I show you the activities which you kids have shared with me? Shall I show you? Okay. First, I have got Sukhroop. Sukhroop has made such beautiful Ganeshji. Can you all see how beautiful Ganeshji did he make? Yes, you can unmute all yourself. You can unmute yourself. Okay. Yeah. Yes, if you want to unmute yourself, you can unmute. Yeah. Well done, Sukhroop. Well done for making such beautiful Ganeshji. After Sukhroop, we have got Arna. She has made very yummy papdi chaat and she performed Bhangra on the Punjabi dress. Well done, Arna. Clap for Arna. Good job. After Arna, we have got Sneha. Can you all see how beautiful artwork she has made? Beautiful mouse. It's very nice, Sneha. Well done. Good job. After Sneha, we have got Satva. Satva, it is really amazing. You have made yourself a night gear. It is really intelligent of you. You're a really smart kid, right? Well done, Satva. Well done. Keep doing like this. Well done. After Satva, we have got Shivai. He has made such a beautiful greeting card for Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you so much, baby. I love you. You're such a nice boy. Well done, Shivai. Well done. After Shivai, we have got Divija. Divija has actually made number cards. Isn't it great? You are very smart, Divija. Well done. Keep going. Well done, Divija. Well done. Good job. After Divija, we have got Amaya. He has also made a Teacher's Day card and a beautiful artwork, a mouse artwork, a penguin artwork. That is brilliant, Amaya. Well done, Amaya. Well done. Good job. After Amaya, we have got Vinisha. She is a super chef. She has made such a tasty papdi chaat. Well done. It's so yummy. I want to eat it. Well done, Vinisha. Good job. Well done. And then we have got Ganishka. Ganishka also has made such yummy sandwich. It's so yummy. You kids are really amazing, you know. All kids are doing great activities and you are sending great activities to me. Keep doing nice activity. I love your activities, you know. And can I tell you one thing? The kids who perform a lot of activities, they become really intelligent. That is why you all are so intelligent, because you perform so many activities. You are very smart kids, right? Good job. Now tell me, who wants to play a game quickly? Who is this?
Mukta.
This is Mukta. Who is this?
Dave.
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 Or who is this?
Coffee.
Kafi, right. Now let's play a small game fast. Dave is going to ask you to find any object which starts from letter A. Go find, run. Run. Can you find something which starts from letter A?
Object.
Dave says letter A. Letter A. Can you find something from letter A? Find. And well done, you're finding ant. Good job.
Oh.
Good job. Apple. Well done. What else can you find? Oh my God. Again apple. What did Sattu find? Oh, Kavya also found an apple. Wow. What did Myth find? Apple. Okay. Now Kavi says can you find something? Let me give you a difficult one. You all are very smart. Let me give you something difficult.
मम्मी देखो तो
Okay. Kavi says find object which starts from letter B. Letter B. Who will find? Yes, who will find something from letter D? Letter D. Letter D. Come on, letter D. Who is going to find? Oh, doll. Well done, Arna. Well done. Well done, Arnav. You're very smart. Okay, who is... Oh, dog. Well done. Now let me find doll. Well done. Now let me say Dev wants to dance. Come on, who can dance? Dance, 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 dance. Fast. Who is going to dance? Come on, dance, 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 dance. Stop. Stop. Kavi says stop. Now Dev says jump, 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 jump. Who's going to jump? Come on, jump, 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 jump. Kavi says stop. Kavi says stop. Oh, who's still jumping? Okay. Now sing a song. Sing, 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 sing. But Dave didn't say to sing. Dave didn't say anything. We always do when Dave says. It's a game called Dave Says. Okay. Now, can Dave says twist. Dave says twist. Who can twist? Twist, 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 twist. Come on, twist, 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 twist. Stop. Yay! Did you have fun today? Did you like the stories?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Did you have fun today?
Yes.
I also have so much fun today. You can perform so many activities and you can send it to me. Alright, we will meet next time. Bye kids, love you all. Bye.
Love you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Love you.